Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Finally, there is a new stealth model in the market and its name is Sonic, and currently it is available for free inside Cursor. In this drop down you will find this Sonic model where you see that 256K context window, and also if you go to this Cline there, if you select this API provider as Cline, there also you will find this Cline Sonic model. You see advanced model with 262K context for complex coding. And I also tried this Sonic model and I compared this model with the GPT-5, and here you see that this is the result that is generated by GPT-5 and this is the result that is generated by Sonic. Okay, and this was our design, and in this video I will show you that this Sonic is good or GPT-5. Okay, so stay with me till the end. Here you see that first let's observe this design. Here you see that in this design on the right hand side we have this add new and export CSV, and also here we have these four boxes, this total employee, active employee, inactive employee and onboarding employee. And after that we have one table, and for each table we have this column, and first we have one checkbox, and also we have this sorting functionality, and we have some buttons, and all of that buttons have some status, and based on that status we have some color. Okay, and also you see that on the left hand side we have one profile section and this 61 numbers, and we have this menu bars also. And the interesting thing is that all of that menus have their sub menu, and also there is a button. Here you see that means if you click on this button it will be squeezed. Okay, so that means expand button is there. If you click on that expand button it will be expand, and otherwise it will be squeezed. And we have this search bar here, and here you see that this search, filter and sort. Okay, now let's see the difference, the output that is generated by this Sonic and this GPT-5. So in case of GPT-5, here you see that we have this checkbox, and we have this squeeze functionality also. If I click on this employee, it is getting squeezed. And on the left hand side we have this wishbone, this is the profile feature, 61 members. And also we have this search functionality here, and search and sorting functionality. Yes, sorting functionality is also there on the right hand side. On the right hand side also we have this export CSV, add new button, and this search. This is the perfect GPT-5 generated code. And also we have this four boxes, and each of this column have this sorting functionality also. It is working perfectly. Okay, now let's see that code that is generated by Sonic. Here you see, and many people are talking that Sonic is a Grok-4 coder, because Grok-4, when they released their Grok-4 model, then at the time they told us that Grok-4 coder will be published after 1 month. So this time, this in this August, this Grok-4 coder can be published. So if you see that on this Twitter, many people are talking that the new Sonic model basically confirmed to be an XAI model, means the Grok-4 coder is very good and very fast. See, very fast, it is correct that it is very fast, but I cannot say that it is very good. As you see that in this Sonic generated example, here we don't have first of all any checkbox. Okay, checkbox functionality is missing. And by the way, one thing is that for this GPT-5 and for this Sonic, I have generated this kind of UI with one prompt. I have not modified anything. So with one prompt, they have generated this kind of things. And also you see that in case of Sonic we don't have any search box on the left hand side after this below logo. Okay, but here you see that in case of GPT-5 we have this logo, we have this search bar below logo. Okay, and on the left hand side also we don't have any profile section below. So this profile section I am talking about, this is the profile section. We don't have this kind of profile section as of now. On the right hand side also we have this add new functionality and export CSV in case of GPT-5. But in case of Sonic here you see that we have only export, and CSV is also not mentioned. We have this export button, and no, there is no add new functionality. There are many functionalities are also missing. And if I click on this actions, okay, these buttons are also not working. And here you see that in case of GPT-5 also this button is also not working, but here they have actually populated all of that all of that columns. So that's why they have kept this edit and view profile like this. But if I see that, okay, in case of image also there is a this kind of three dot button, but here in case of Sonic, here you see that it has kept these action buttons like this. Okay, but my actual design was not like this. My actual design was there three dot, but here they have added three dot in case of GPT-5, but in case of Sonic, here you see that they have placed like this. But another thing here you see that in case of Sonic, they have kept this color as a blue, but in my actual design the color was black. And here in case of GPT-5 also it has kept it blue. Okay, kept it blue, but so you see that there are lots of difference between the design and the Sonic generated code. But in case of GPT-5, it is almost matching. So you will get around 90% accuracy for GPT-5. Let me write it. You will get 90% accuracy for this GPT-5. Okay. And in case of Grok-4 code, or you can say this Sonic, I will say that you will get this around 70% accuracy. Although you will see that Sonic is fast, but it is very fast, but it doesn't have that much accuracy. I have given you the proved live example. Okay, so you also please generate at your own. Just go to this cursor. Currently, this Sonic model is available for free here. Okay, so here you see that available for a limited time, free to use, but may have limited capacity. Okay, and in case of Cline also, you will find this Cline Sonic. Just select it and just to generate or do the coding. Okay, and what people are talking about this Sonic, here you see there. This is one of the example, and okay, here you see. Confident to say that Sonic model is made by XAI because here in this example this was mentioned this docs, this for this code 404, this docs is mentioning docs.x.ai. Okay, what people are talking about to this Sonic on Reddit, so tried it, mixed reviews for me, some stuff it can do well, others it cannot. Would put it below GPT-5, Sonnet 5, Sonnet 5, Sonnet 4 should be, and GLM 4.5, Qwen 3 Coder Plus, maybe at GPT 4.1 level. Yes, that is of course because you see that it has not exactly copied the design in my case also. So I hope that this detailed explanation with the live example side by side with GPT-5 and this Sonic is very helpful for you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel, guys, and don't forget to watch the other videos also. Today I published one more video on this DeepSeek version 3.1, and this model is actually worse for me because I have found that free open source Qwen 3 is performing better than this DeepSeek version 3.1, and also GPT OSS, that is the model by OpenAI, which is an currently open source model, that is also performing better than the DeepSeek version 3.1. So you can watch this video, you will get many ideas from there. Okay. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.